Hello and welcome to my channel. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala and it is an important festival in Kerala. Onam falls in the month of Chingam, which is the first month in the Malayalam calendar, and it falls on the day that coincides with the Thiruvonam Nakshatra or star. This year, Onam falls on the 21st of August. In Kerala, the festivities and preparations for Onam begin 10 days earlier on the day that coincides with the star Attam. From Attam till Thiruvonam, this 10-day period is called Attam Pattonam. As food is synonymous with celebration, the festivities and preparations of the Attam Pattonam culminate on Onam Day in an Onam Sadya, which is a vegetarian feast with traditional Kerala dishes. Today, the 12th of August, coincides with the star Attam. So today is the first day of the Attam Pattonam, that is the run-up to Onam. From today onwards, I will be sharing the recipes of some of these traditional Sadya dishes with you. As a Pulissheri is a mandatory item on a Onam Sadya banana leaf, I will start off with the Pulissheri. The recipe I have is for a savory Pulissheri made with Taro yam. Come, let's start cooking. Inna Attam Nakshatra naalana. Inna Attam Pattonam Thodangana naalana. ഞാൻ ഈ അത്തം നക്ഷത്ര നാളിൽ ഒരു ചേമ്പ് പുളിശ്ശേരിയാണ് ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ പോണേ. വരൂ, എൻ്റെ കൂടെ അടുക്കളയിൽ വന്ന് നമുക്ക് ചേമ്പ് പുളിശ്ശേരി ഉണ്ടാക്കാം.
300 grams of taro yam, also known as colocasia. In Malayalam, this root vegetable is called chembu. Let me now show you how to remove the skin of this taro yam. As you can see, you peel it as you would a potato. After removing the skin, cut the yam into 3 pieces like I'm doing now. This is all the yam that has been cut. 2 stalks of curry leaves that I'm going to slice. Curry leaves are good for you. I therefore cut it up so that they won't be taken out of the dish and thrown away. Five green bird's eye chillies cut for pounding. Let's now grind these ingredients into a fine paste. Firstly, half a cup of grated coconut. Then 1 heaping teaspoon of cumin seeds, followed by the cut green chillies. Now let's grind this into a smooth paste. This is a paste that has been ground. Now we can start cooking. Place the container of colocasia on the stove. Turn on the stove and add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I am using a mud pot. You can use any other container that you like. Then add half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Stir the ingredients together. Add sufficient water to cook the taro. The water added to cook the taro yam must completely cover the taro. Then bring the water to boil on a high flame. The water cooking the taro has come to a rolling boil. Now reduce the flame and let the taro cook. The water has reduced considerably and that's what we want. The taro is also nearly cooked. Now that is the cue for us to add the next ingredient, that is the coconut paste. Let's give this a stir first. So now add the coconut paste and give the ingredients a good stir. Then cook the coconut paste on a moderate heat until its raw smell disappears. In the meanwhile, add salt to taste and continue to cook until the taro is fully cooked and the gravy reduces. The gravy has reduced and the raw smell of the coconut paste has disappeared. Now add 1 cup of yogurt that has been beaten with 2 tablespoons of water. Then stir the mixture well. Turn off the stove just as the curry comes to a boil. Heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a tadka pan or a small wok or frying pan. When the oil heats up, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Add 2 dried red chillies when the mustard seeds stop crackling, and then add 2 stalks of curry leaves. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon of roasted fenugreek powder. Turn the stove off after that. Pour the tadka, that is the tempered ingredients, into the curry. Just listen to that sizzle. Rinse the tadka pan with a little bit of hot water and pour into the curry. Turn the stove on at low. Then stir to combine and turn the stove off when the curry comes to a slow boil. Traditional Chembu Pulissheri for the Onam Sadya. Make this delicious Chembu Pulissheri cooked in a coconut and yogurt gravy for your Onam Sadya this year, and your family will be very pleased. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again with another recipe, stay safe. Bye.